Tacos, a Mexican culinary treasure, are not just a dish, but a delightful experience that brings people together. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, making tacos from scratch is a rewarding endeavor. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating authentic and mouth-watering tacos in the comfort of your own kitchen. Ingredients. To begin your taco making journey, gather the following ingredients. 1. Soft or hard taco shells, corn or flour, based on preference. 2. Choice of protein: beef, chicken, pork, or tofu for a vegetarian option. 3. Fresh vegetables: tomatoes, lettuce, onions. 4. Cheese: cheddar, Monterey Jack, or queso fresco. 5. Fresh cilantro. 6. Lime wedges. 7. Seasonings: cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Step 1. Prepare the protein. Select your preferred protein and cook it to perfection. For beef or chicken, marinate the meat with a blend of cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Cook on a skillet or grill until fully cooked and flavorful. For a vegetarian option, marinate tofu or use seasoned black beans. Step 2. Chop fresh vegetables. Dice tomatoes, shred lettuce, and finely chop onions to create a vibrant and refreshing vegetable medley for your tacos. These fresh ingredients add texture and a burst of flavor to each bite. Step 3. Cheese and cilantro. Grate your choice of cheese, whether it's the sharpness of cheddar, the creaminess of Monterey Jack, or the crumbly texture of queso fresco. Finely chop fresh cilantro to add a pop of herbaceous goodness. Step 4. Warm the taco shells. If you're using corn tortillas, warm them on a dry skillet for about 10–15 seconds on each side. For flour tortillas, you can heat them in a microwave or on the stovetop. Warming the shells enhances their pliability and makes them more enjoyable to eat. Step 5. Assemble your tacos. Now comes the fun part: assembling your tacos. Lay out the warm taco shells and begin by placing a generous portion of your cooked protein. Top it with the fresh vegetable medley, sprinkle cheese, and garnish with chopped cilantro. Squeeze a lime wedge over the top for a zesty finish. Step 6. Customize and enjoy. One of the joys of making tacos is the ability to customize each one to your liking. Add salsa, guacamole, or sour cream for extra flavor. Feel free to experiment with different combinations until you find your perfect taco creation. OS. Conclusion. Making tacos at home is a delightful culinary adventure that allows you to infuse your personal touch into this iconic dish. With a harmonious blend of savory protein, fresh vegetables, and zesty toppings, your homemade tacos are sure to impress. So, gather your ingredients, embrace the creative process, and savor the satisfaction of crafting and indulging in your very own authentic tacos.